Alright, hello everyone. This is going to be a very short and sweet video on how to use this document. And in this video, I'll be skipping a lot of details. I'll just tell you exactly what you need to know to just get off and running so that you can just start studying. It should take you less than 15 minutes to do all this, alright? So first thing that you do is you get the software. You get Anki on here. Here's the website right there, and then after you have the software installed, you get the Anki deck. If you want the version 11, here's the link. You can directly download it from here. After it's downloaded, you just double click on the thing that you downloaded, and then it's just going to be added directly to Anki. Alright, if you want version 12 of the Anki deck and beyond, any further updates for the deck is going to require Anki Hub. And Anki Hub is going to cost you almost $5 per month. All right, I'm using the version 12. It's worth it. And to get this, you just have to watch this video, and then it's a simple process as well. So let's say you have the app downloaded, you have the deck added. So the next thing that you do is you go to browse, and then you click on right here. You get the deck, and then you select all these cards. All right, I've already done my bit, so I can't show it to you, but what you do is you select all these cards. Most of your cards are going to look whitish like this. It's not going to be yellow. So what you do, first thing is select all these cards. You have almost about 42,643 cards. That's a lot of things to study. And then after you have these cards selected, you right click on it, and then you click toggle suspend, and all your cards are going to have this yellow color on. Okay, so that means you've suspended all your cards. You're not studying any of those because you unsuspend and you study as we go along. Then the next thing that you do is you go down here, go to this tips section, and then you find these cards. So you copy this tag inside of this square box, and then you go to Anki, you click on browse, you go to the browser, and then you paste the tag that you just copied, and then select enter, and then you select all these, and then you go to flag, and you flag them red. So these are the cards that you will never ever see. These are either cards that need to be deleted from the deck. Just the people who make the deck haven't gotten around to it. These are things that are either duplicates, so there's another tag that is for duplicates, or these are cards that just are low yield, right? So do not bother, do not waste your time on these cards. So to make sure that you don't unlock these cards, you have to do this. You have to find them and you have to mark them red. All right. Then to get started, here's the most important bit. So let's say you just had a lecture. All right, so let me use the second lecture as an example. So you just had this lecture, and you come to this document. So here are the videos that you need to watch. All right. Yeah, so you would just watch this video, you learn the material. You can learn the material watching these videos, you can learn the material through the lecture, or if you like reading the book, you can read the book and learn the material. Any way goes, all right? After you learn the material, what you do is you come right here. So here are the Anki tags, all right? So you come right here and do exactly what you did before. You get all the stuff that's inside the box, you copy it, and then you go to Anki, and then you paste it on the browser. So these are cards that relates to the arteriosclerosis video that's from Pathoma. All right, so here you go, you press enter. I'm using version 12, so I'll have to do something a little different. All right, I'll have to do this, and then as you can see, I already have them unsuspended. If a card is suspended, it's going to look like this. It's going to have this yellow color on it. If it's not suspended, it's going to look all white. All right. And another thing that you want to do is you want to type this minus flag 1. So basically what we're doing is we're removing all the cards that's been flagged red that is inside this tag. All right. And then another thing that I want to say right now is that if you're using version 12, I think it will help you to watch the longer video that I'm gonna make, because here's here's exactly how I get these cards. So once you if you have this is if you have the add-ons, okay? Don't bother with this. This is supposed to be a short and sweet video. So you type in lymphoma, arteriosclerosis, and then you get the version 12 card, you go minus flag 1. Alright? So there you have it. So you unlock the cards and then you study them. Alright? And then so you go through each of these and you do the same thing, you do the same thing, you do the same thing. I put all the version 11 tags here, and but if you want version 12, watch the longer video or just change the number to 12. But I think watching the longer video and knowing how to search for the tags is a better way.